past, like, not forget the past, but use the past, but now it's in a new page, you get me? I'm focusing on the afterlife.
Focusing on the afterlife, because that's what you got to do anyway. Focus on the afterlife.
Because of all this talk, like, recently, obviously with the slaves and going on in Libya, and then, like, the lesson yesterday, and what Yahusha was saying, and, sorry, Twins and that was saying, yo, you're not slaves anymore, do you get me?
We got so many struggles round us, so many struggles round us, so we're rising, rising like the wind blows, the wind blows. We used to be slaves, yeah, we're turning a new page, yeah, to the afterlife, the afterlife, the afterlife, the afterlife. Gotta make changes, amazing. Remember the patience, remember the patience, remember the patience, the payment. Remember they slaved us, remember they caged us, maimed us, beat us and raped us. What are we doing here? What are we fighting for? In the blink of an eye, our angels are fighting for us. We won't rise out all by yourself. We'll ride out until the end. Can you imagine the candlelight day with you and I? Yeah, we can coincide, yeah, we can coincide. You and I, my fruit and vine, to the end of days, in the end of time. Hold tight, my youngest crying, better days in the afterlife, afterlife. We got so many struggles round us, so many struggles round us, so we're rising, rising like the wind blows, the wind blows. We used to be slaves, yeah, we're turning a new page, yeah, to the afterlife, the afterlife, the afterlife, the afterlife.
I do it for my kingdom, I do it for my king, I do it for my queen, and the things unseen. For we wrestle not against flesh and blood. You're Akiyim, you're my flesh and blood. Beefing over postcodes in the hood. There's not a new under this burning sun. I'ma wait right here till the son of man. Yo, wait right here till the son of man come. You demons, better hide and run, you can't hide from Christ. Mothers and babies crying, mothers and babies dying. Psalms of Solomon replying.
Why, oh, why, oh, why, oh, why, oh, why? What you did unto my people, yeah, you surely have to die.
Eye for an eye, tooth for a tooth. First should be last, the last should be first.
We got so many struggles round us, so many struggles round us, so we're rising, rising like the wind blows, the wind blows. We used to be slaves, yeah, we're turning a new page, yeah, to the afterlife, the afterlife, the afterlife, the afterlife.
New page, new chapter. Hope pain fades, and we hear laughter. Cause it's a new hope and a new day, so let's switch up and go a new way. So don't get caught in your old ways, cause time is precious, so don't waste. When we walk in the valley of the shadow of death, you shall not perish, you'll conquer your death. Didn't you know that this walk is a test? Keep that in mind when you're taking your breath.
Gotta keep the fight in us, in a higher power we trust. Dedicated to this walk, keep it daily in our thoughts. Trying to make it through the fire, we're reaching higher.
We got so many struggles round us, so many struggles round us, so we're rising, rising like the wind blows, the wind blows. We used to be slaves, yeah, we're turning a new page, yeah, to the afterlife, the afterlife, the afterlife, the afterlife.
The afterlife, the afterlife.
If you don't come back to this book, check out what the Most High say you are by default. People say, well, I don't believe in the Bible. Well, by default, if you don't come back to this book, you will serve and you will serve. There is no future beyond this inept life, according to the Most High.